Welcome to the Magna Obra model unit of Intalio Estates. Masterpiece is designed by LLG Architects, which is known for their innovative designs such as the Rise by Monterrazas. Their design incorporates modern tropical Filipino architecture, which includes a lot of open spaces and aesthetic features. Just take a look at this beautiful Mangima wall feature at the exterior of the property, adding a touch of tropical feel to the property. Now let's go check out the interior of this model unit. As you walk into the Magna Obra, you are greeted by this open floor plan. Living space is to your left, which is adjacent to the dining area and the kitchen. So for those who love to cook and to entertain, it would be very easy to just go back and forth in between these three spaces, as all three are adjacent to each other. The design philosophy includes bioclimatic design, which includes this open floor plan, high ceilings, and generous windows. As you can see, they have incorporated the jalousie type of window design. The advantage of using jalousie compared to the usual sliding glass windows is that you can open all the jalousie windows up and it will allow air to flow in and circulate inside your home, compared to sliding windows. If you open one side, then the other side will still needs to be closed, because you need to move the sliding glass windows up to one side only. So there is a limitation when it comes to airflow for sliding glass windows. Compared to a jalousie type, just open it all up and you will be able to allow natural lighting and airflow to flow inside your home. And also, Magna Obra has higher floor to ceiling height, which will cool down the interior of your home as well. This unit has already been dressed up, so you as the potential investor of the Magna Obra could see the possibilities of what it can be once you move in. The Magna Obra comes with smart home features as well, including smart switches, outlets, door locks, No more forgetting your keys, because instead of a key, you will just need to put in your fingerprint, or you will just need to input the code so you can get inside your home. It also includes smart doorbell and smart home CCTV. So even if you are away on a trip, you can still monitor what's going in and outside of your home. The lot area of the Magna Obra starts at 121 square meters, and then it can go up depending on if it's a corner lot or depending on the existing lot size. So we also have units with 140 square meter lot cuts to 150, and corner units are even have a bigger lot area. As to the floor space, it starts at 118 square meters, going up to 158 square meters. The property has a total of 4 rooms. So there is one room over here on the ground floor. This room could easily be your guest room, or it could be a staff room, or you could also convert the first floor room into extra office space, especially for those who work from home, or maybe a play area for your kids. And then we also have 3 toilet and baths. There is one toilet and bath here on the first floor, which is very accessible for your guests, and then 2 more on the second floor. Now that we're done exploring the first floor, let's check out the second floor. The second floor has 3 more rooms, while the first floor has 1 room. So a total of 4 rooms for the entire house. And the second floor has this landing area over here, which is currently being presented as open space or family area that you could use to gather, watch Netflix or any movie with your family. This could also be converted into like a coffee space. You could set up a coffee bar over here for easy reach, or maybe office space. So it's just extra space over on this area that you could use. Now let's check out the master bedroom. The master room is the biggest room of the house, and if you even want to expand it, you could easily connect it with the second room right over here adjacent to the master bedroom. The master room can fit a queen bed, and it also has its own toilet and a bath. This is the toilet and bath of the master bedroom, and maybe one improvement that you can do for your toilet and bath is to add a glass enclosure over here so that you could separate the rest of the bathroom from the shower area, so you wouldn't be getting the rest of the bathroom wet if in case you use the shower. And then let's check out the rest of the rooms on the second floor. This is bedroom number 2 on the second floor, which could be a kid's room, or if you wanted to expand your walk-in closet or have a walk-in closet or increase the size of the master bedroom, then you could just knock down the separator, the wall separating the 2 rooms, and open up the space, or you could just keep this as a second room if you have more family members. And then adjacent to the second bedroom is the common toilet and bath here on the second floor, which is very accessible to the 2 rooms. And then this is the third bedroom. To maximize space, you could set up, instead of shelves, you could set up like floating shelves. Instead of like a cabinet, you could set up floating shelves over here on this side. So you could use the space over here for something else, maybe a table, a study desk, and then you could line up this space over here and over on this side with shelves for storage of your clothing. The Magna Obra also comes with this balcony, which you could use if you want to chill at night, or if you want to just hang out with your family in the afternoons when it's not so hot anymore. Or another thing that you could do is, if you wanted to expand the space of your common area on the second floor, you could extend it over here towards your balcony and enclose the space to even increase furthermore the floor area of your home. And that ends our Magna Obra house tour. If you have more questions or you would like to see this model unit in person, then just message me. My contact info is in the description, and I will see you in the next video.